PostDS, a methodology to boost data science. As the importance of data science is increasing, the number of projects involving data science and machine learning is rising in either quantity or complexity. It is essential to employ a methodology that contributes to the improvement of the outputs. An overview of the evolution of data mining processes, models, and methodologies is given for context. First, we acknowledge several existing processes: KDD, CRISP-DM, SEMA, ASIM, TDSP. However, none of these include crucial elements currently used in standard data science projects, such as scheduling techniques, for instance, Gantt, attribution of roles like RACI, or even choosing of different tools like this machine learning usage flowchart example. In the literature review, it is possible to identify 4 main blocks to tackle the problem of data science projects: process, organization, scheduling, and tools. In this sense, we proposed process, organization, and scheduling electing tools for data science, or in short, PostDS. This allows not only to discriminate the processes used for knowledge discovery, but the joint integration with other important factors of project management in data science, such as organization, scheduling, and tools. Now, we'll look at how this can be used in practice. It involves the use of a table with 4 key elements, described previously. Firstly, we list all the relevant activities within the chosen processes. Then, roles are attributed for each member of the project, so that an accountability framework is set in place. It is important to define this before the schedule, so that each member can give a realistic estimation of the execution of each part. Then follows a section for scheduling, where the time and dependency of tasks is represented. And last, but certainly not least, a section for all tools or even meta tools being used in each phase of the project. To demonstrate the feasibility of the proposed approach, it was implemented in the context of a real situation. The purpose was to identify the main characteristics that contributed to the improvement of Instagram presence. In this case, we used CRISP-DM for activities, RACI for the roles, a Gantt chart for scheduling, and listed all the tools used in each phase of the project. Now, let's understand the information and specific activity. The activity 2.2 denotes the description of the data. This task is done jointly with the data engineer, in this case accountable and responsible, the business analyst, who will be consulted, and the data scientist that will be informed of the decisions taken. This will take place during the weeks 6 and 7 of the project, and the tools used are Jupyter Notebooks and Python. Note that this is only one of the endless ways we can use this model. The management of data science project, in this case, gains from the assistance of this methodology, because it allows for the integration of specified components, improving adjustment of expectations, clarification of the scope of the project, as well as making clear the tasks assigned to each person and tools being used, resulting in a better resource and budget management that leads to having results close to expectations. Now it's your turn.